Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today I have a very interesting product for you guys. So I ordered this AER City Sling 2, I guess, from AER a few days back, and it is just delivered. There are few normal typical stuff from AER that you get, thanks and a sticker. I don't need that. I'll just keep this on the side. And there is a bag. So the packaging was really minimal. There's nothing too much in the packaging, but this product is really good. This is a Cordura material. The durability of this material is really good. I have used their products in the past and I really liked it. I've also ordered their travel pack 3 that would be coming in few days, so I will be reviewing that as well. But for now, this sling bag, in my view, this is the best sling bag in the market currently. If you don't like the black color, there is another color, I think, in black as well as in gray. You can check that out, but for me this was the perfect one because this looks like little discreet. And then let's look at the design and strap. So design wise, typical AER design language, you will see here a zipper right in the middle. So if you open this zipper, there is a pocket with a good quality material inside. This is really good, and a holder for your key. This is a typical design of AER. You would also see that in their travel packs. And on the side, you will see this strap is really good. One of the main feature of this strap is quick magnetic fid lock, they call it. This is a magnetic lock, so when you're wearing it, you can just take it off very easily. And I think in my use as well, I found that this was fine. It's not easy to take off, so you should not be worried that it will you will very easily lose this bag basically. So you won't lose this bag because you need to apply some force to take it off, but to put it in, it's really simple because it's magnetic design. This strap is really good quality with enough width so that it's comfortable and not too chunky. Let's look at other compartments. So on top here, you would see that a big zipper is there. This is like the biggest compartment. And in this big compartment, you will see you can put some stuff here, and there are some mesh pockets on top. There is a very big pocket on the back, and there is a zippered pocket to keep your stuff secure if you want to keep them secure. So very big pocket. I've seen people using this for their mirrorless cameras and lenses, so this can hold a lot of stuff for sure. And if you look at the back, there is one discreet zipper. Here you can put like a very important documents or something like that. Let's say your passport and all, you can put it there. And it's a very big pocket. It's like from the complete length or width of the bag. So it is not a small pocket. You can use it either as well. So guys, this was a very quick unboxing and a very short review of this bag. I will be doing a thorough review of this bag after using it for some time. So if you want to see that, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and see you in the next one.